Now we are going to show you the basic graphic function. Choose the area, set a variable memory address, and then it is done. And then we can check the user's menu. The drawing command. If we want to draw a rectangle, we'll use command 0003. The command was combined with 5 bytes. 2 bytes for top left coordinates, 2 bytes for bottom right corner coordinates, and 1 byte for the rectangular color. And you also need to add the 2 bytes as the data package number before the command. That means how many individual graphics you will draw in one command. And then send the command